SUI is absolutely exploding. We finally broke the $5, but will we now see even higher prices, or do we see a bigger crash? In this video I will talk about SUI, I will analyze the chart, I will talk about the liquidation heat map, and we analyze the open interest and the funding rate. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin, SUI and all other cryptocurrency. First link in the description. So as you can see, SUI finally broke the $5. In about half a year we saw an increase about 900%. Now SUI is on place 12 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $15.5 billion. But will we see now even higher prices or go to the downside again? So on the first side we saw this extreme bullish move for SUI, and of course if we are seeing a bullish move like this, then the chance for a bigger pullback is getting bigger, especially if we have a look at the open interest. It increased at this move right here, so there are more leverage positions right now in the market and the funding rate is increasing, so the chance is very high that this last move is also built by leverage positions, so the chance for a price decrease and a flush in the open interest is high. And we also have more liquidity laying on the downside again, especially under the $4. So I personally think the chance for a pullback is there, but of course we are still in this bullish trend, so as long as we are not breaking this one to the downside, the chance for higher prices is there. But especially with this new all-time high, the chance for a small increase and then a slightly bigger pullback is there. And if we are just seeing smaller pullbacks, then I have some interesting zones like the last all-time high right here. If we come back into this zone of the $5, seeing bullish price action, the chance is high that we can continue the bullish momentum from this. Then we have this last high right here at the $4.84. If we're seeing bullish price action right here, the chance for a bullish increase is also here. And of course here we have much liquidity under this last lows and we have this last high. So if we come back here, bullish price action, then the chance is high that we increase again. So this would be my main scenarios, that we are seeing a slight pullback. But in case if Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is decreasing, then the chance that we are coming in this zone is very high. And then we have some nice spot positions right here, because this demand zone was the start of this bullish move. So if we come back into this zone, seeing bullish price action right here is a great chance to get into spot positions for SUI. Or if we're seeing an even bigger pullback, then the chance is high that we can also go into this zone to the last all-time high, and seeing bullish price action right here, it would be an amazing chance for some new spot positions for SUI. But as I said, this is just for the short time. The chance for some pullbacks is there, but on the long term I'm very bullish, especially for this bull run. I see even higher prices. We now reached one of my bull run targets of the $4.94 right here, and the next bullish price target are the $6.65 and we have the $7.70, and I think these prices are very realistic for this bull run. And I personally would take some profits in this area because I invested in the bear market. I have very nice entry prices and I'm a friend of taking profits on the way to the top, because nobody knows the exact top, so I want to take profits before we are hitting the top and seeing the bear market again. But with this bullish momentum I could also imagine prices of $9 to $10 for this bull run. I would also take major profits in this area right here. Of course we could see even higher prices, but I would be very happy to take profits in this area, because for this bull run I'm very bullish on SUI. But on the long run we have to look at the circulating supply of 30%, which is not really great. So I would be very happy to take major profits in this bull market, and after the bear market we could invest some more, but we should focus on this bull market, and at this prices and at this one I would take major profits. And if you want to trade SUI, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees, and with my link you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So all in all, SUI was very bullish. We finally broke the $5 and the chance for higher prices is there. But with the open interest, the funding rate and the liquidations, we have some potentials for the pullback. So my next favorite pullbacks would be this area right here with bullish price action, or this one. Or in case if we are seeing a bigger pullback at Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, we would have this potential zone and this one for new spot buys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.